Tracking customer lifetime value, CLV, in Salesforce is essential for understanding how valuable each customer is to your business over the long term. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily track CLV in Salesforce so you can optimize your strategy and maximize revenue. Stick with me because by the end, you'll have a simple, step-by-step method for calculating CLV using Salesforce's built-in tools. Now, before we dive in, if you're new to Salesforce or just want to get the most out of your account, you can access this software completely for free through the first link in the description. Plus, we've got some exclusive bonuses for you. Let's jump right in. First thing, you'll want to start by ensuring your Salesforce account has the right data to track CLV. This means ensuring your system has data on all your customers, including purchase history and any relevant interaction data. The more accurate and complete this data is, the better your CLV insights will be. Next thing, to track CLV, you'll need to create custom fields. These fields will hold the important metrics you need, like the total revenue per customer, purchase frequency, and retention data. You can create custom fields by going into the Setup section of Salesforce, then customizing your customer account records. The third thing to focus on is calculating the actual CLV. You can do this by using a formula that multiplies the average revenue per customer by the average customer lifespan. Salesforce lets you automate this process by creating a calculated field using a custom formula. This can automatically update and give you real-time insights into your customer's value. Next thing, after setting up the formula, create a dashboard or report in Salesforce. This report will be key to visualizing your customer lifetime value data, and you can set it to update automatically so you don't have to manually track it. This will give you easy-to-read metrics so you can assess how well your customer relationships are performing. The fifth thing to remember is segmentation. Not all customers are equal. By segmenting customers based on their value, you can identify high-value customers and create strategies tailored to retaining them. Salesforce lets you filter and segment customers easily so you can focus on those that drive the most value for your business. The sixth thing, if you want to dive even deeper into CLV, consider integrating third-party apps or advanced analytics into your Salesforce setup. There are several tools available on the Salesforce App Exchange that can help you enhance your CLV tracking with predictive analytics and more detailed customer insights. Finally, the last thing, don't forget to continually refine and update your process. As your business grows, your CLV metrics might change. Regularly revisiting your setup and updating it with fresh data and new strategies will keep your tracking accurate and relevant. So, to quickly recap, start with accurate customer data, create custom fields for tracking, calculate CLV with a formula, set up reports for ongoing monitoring, segment customers for better focus, and continuously update your setup. As a final note, if you want to try out Salesforce and take advantage of a special extended free trial, make sure to click the first link below. It's your chance to explore all the powerful features of Salesforce risk-free, plus you'll get exclusive bonuses just for signing up. Thanks for watching.